Hi everyone! Welcome back to Easy Talk English. I'm Emma and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm John. Great to see you all again. Thanks for joining us.
Today we have a really exciting topic. We're going to talk about the future. Specifically, what will the world look like in the year 2040?
2040. That's only about 15 years from now.
Right. It sounds far away, but it's really not. And the world might look very, very different.
Very different. Technology, jobs, cities, the environment, so many things could change.
So today, we're going to talk about all of it in simple, natural English, the kind of English that real Americans use every day.
And we'll explain any difficult words as we go. So don't worry if you hear something new.
Just keep listening. You'll pick it up.
Pick it up means to learn something gradually, little by little.
Exactly. Just like learning English. All right, let's begin.
Hey Emma, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was actually thinking about the future today, like what my life will look like in 15 years.
Oh really? What were you thinking about?
I was wondering if I'll still be doing the same job, living in the same city, how different everything might be.
That's a big question.
It is. But think about it, John. 15 years ago was 2010, and the world is so different now.
You're right. In 2010, smartphones were just getting started. Instagram didn't exist yet.
Nobody was talking about electric cars or AI.
Right. So if the world changed that much in 15 years, imagine what 2040 will look like.
It could be amazing or a little scary.
Or both at the same time.
Exactly. Definitely both. Okay, let's start with technology. I think that's where the biggest changes will happen.
Good idea. So technology in 2040. What do you think it will look like?
I think artificial intelligence will be a huge part of everyday life.
Artificial intelligence. Let's explain that. Artificial intelligence, or AI, means computer systems that can think and learn like humans.
Right. We already have AI today, like the voice assistants on your phone.
Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant.
Yes, but in 2040, AI will probably be much, much smarter.
Smarter how?
Well, some experts think AI will be able to do almost any mental job that humans can do.
Mental job means a job that uses thinking, not physical work.
Right, like writing, designing, coding, even teaching.
So, will AI take over people's jobs?
That's the big question, and honestly, it's a little scary.
A lot of people worry about that.
But other experts say AI will also create new jobs, jobs we can't even imagine right now.
That's true. When the internet was invented, nobody imagined jobs like social media manager or YouTube creator.
That's such a good point. Those jobs didn't exist 20 years ago.
So maybe in 2040, there will be jobs we have no idea about today.
Like AI trainer, someone who teaches AI how to behave.
Or virtual reality designer, someone who builds digital worlds.
I love that one. That sounds like a really cool job.
Speaking of virtual reality, do you think that will be common in 2040?
Absolutely. I think VR and AR will be everywhere.
Let's explain those. Virtual reality, or VR, is when you wear a headset and feel like you're inside a digital world.
Like a video game, but you're actually inside it.
And augmented reality, or AR, is different. You can still see the real world, but digital images are added on top.
Like those phone filters that put funny ears on your face?
Yes, exactly like that, but much more advanced.
In 2040, I imagine people will wear AR glasses instead of looking at a phone.
So you put on glasses and you see directions right in front of your eyes.
Or you get messages without taking out your phone. The information just floats in your vision.
That sounds amazing and a little weird.
Yeah, but we'll get used to it.
Get used to it means to become comfortable with something new.
Right. Smartphones seemed weird at first, too. Now everyone uses them.
Technology always feels strange at first, then it becomes normal.
Exactly.
What about transportation? I think that's going to change a lot.
Oh, yes. I think by 2040, most cars will be electric.
Electric cars are already becoming more popular today.
Right. Gas-powered cars are slowly being replaced.
Gas-powered means a car that runs on gasoline, the traditional fuel,
Electric cars run on batteries, and they're much better for the environment.
because they don't produce exhaust.
Exhaust is the smoke and gases that come out of a traditional car's engine.
Electric cars don't have that, so the air will be cleaner, especially in big cities.
I live in a big city. The air is not always great here.
Haha, same. I really hope the air is much cleaner by 2040.
What about self-driving cars? Do you think those will be common?
I do. They already exist today, but they're not perfect yet.
By 2040, the technology will be much better.
Imagine getting in your car, telling it where to go, and just sitting back and relaxing.
No more driving. You could read, eat, sleep.
Sleep in the car on the way to work.
That actually sounds amazing.
It really does, especially for long road trips.
You just say, "Car, take me to Los Angeles," and off you go.
And you wake up there 4 hours later.
I am absolutely here for that.
I'm absolutely here for that. It's a casual American expression. It means, I love that idea. I want that.
Right. We use it when we're excited about something.
Okay, let's talk about something really important. The environment. Climate change.
Yes, this is a serious topic, but it's so important. Climate change means long-term changes in temperature and weather on Earth.
The planet is getting warmer. This causes many problems. Stronger storms, rising sea levels, more droughts.
Droughts are long periods of very little rain. So in 2040, what do you think the environment will look like?
I think it really depends on what we do in the next 15 years.
That's honest and true.
If we make big changes now, we can slow down climate change.
But if we don't,
Things could get much worse.
I think by 2040, we'll see a lot more renewable energy.
Renewable energy means energy from natural sources that don't run out, like solar power or wind power,
Solar panels on houses, wind farms in the countryside.
and hopefully much less use of coal and oil.
The cost of solar panels is already dropping every year.
It's becoming more affordable for regular people.
Affordable means not too expensive. Most people can buy it.
So hopefully, by 2040, many homes will have solar panels.
And the air and oceans will be cleaner. I really hope so.
Me too. Let's talk about everyday life. How do you think daily routines will change by 2040?
Oh, I love this question. Okay, imagine waking up in the morning.
I'm imagining.
Your smart home system has already checked the weather, adjusted the temperature in your house. Your coffee is already made.
Because the coffee machine knows what time you usually wake up.
Right. And your AI assistant shows your schedule for the day on a screen in the kitchen.
Your self-driving car is already ready to take you to work. That sounds like a perfect morning.
Where is that morning? I need that morning.
Same. But honestly, a lot of that technology already exists in early forms.
Smart thermostats, smart coffee makers, AI assistants.
It's all slowly coming together. By 2040, it'll just be normal.
What about food? I think what we eat will change too.
Ooh, food. You're speaking my language now.
Do you love food, John?
Absolutely. Food is very important to me.
Okay, so I think plant-based food will be much bigger in 2040.
Plant-based means food made from plants, not animals.
Like plant-based burgers, plant-based milk, plant-based seafood.
These already exist today, but by 2040, they'll taste much better.
And they'll be much cheaper too.
Right now, plant-based options are often more expensive than regular meat.
But as the technology improves and production grows, prices drop.
I tried a plant-based burger last month. Honestly, it was really good.
Right? You can barely tell the difference anymore.
And it's better for the environment. Less land, less water, less pollution. By 2040, plant-based food might be the normal choice for most people.
That would be a huge change.
A good one, I think.
Okay, John, I want to ask you something a little more personal.
Sure, go ahead.
When you imagine yourself in 2040, what do you hope your life looks like?
Thanks for a moment. Wow, that's a deep question.
Sorry, too personal?
No, I like it. Let me think. In 2040, I hope I'm still doing something meaningful, something that helps people.
That's beautiful.
I don't care about having the most advanced technology or the fanciest smart home.
What do you care about?
I want real friendships, time in nature, real conversations with real people.
I love that.
I hope by 2040 the world hasn't become so digital that we've forgotten how to be human.
That is such a wise thing to say.
I have my moments. What about you? What do you hope for?
Thanks. I hope I'm still learning, still curious about the world.
Always growing.
Yes, I never want to stop growing. And honestly, I hope the world in 2040 is a kinder place.
A kinder place. I love that.
More empathy, more understanding between people.
Empathy means the ability to understand and share other people's feelings.
Right. I think if we have more of that, everything else will be okay.
I believe that too.
Okay, everyone, let's wrap up today's conversation.
We talked about so much today. Technology, AI, electric cars, the environment.
Daily life, food, and our personal hopes for the future.
The future is big and exciting and a little scary all at once.
But mostly exciting, I think.
I agree. I feel pretty optimistic.
Optimistic means believing that good things will happen.
And I think you should feel optimistic too, everyone.
So, what's the main takeaway from today?
I think the main takeaway is this. The future is not set in stone.
Set in stone means fixed, unchangeable.
The future depends on the choices we make today.
The technology we build, the habits we form, the kindness we show.
All of that shapes what 2040 looks like.
We're not just watching the future happen to us, we're building it together.
Every single day.
And for our English learners, today you practiced some really important vocabulary.
Words like artificial intelligence, renewable energy, sustainable,
Empathy,
optimistic,
affordable,
plant-based.
augmented reality.
These are real words you'll hear in English conversations all the time.
So practice them. Try writing 2 sentences about your vision for 2040.
And share it in the comments below. We love reading what you think.
Before we go, I have one question for everyone watching.
What's the question?
What is one thing you hope will be different in 2040?
Is it cleaner air, better technology, more kindness in the world?
Write it in the comments. We want to know.
Okay, everyone, that's all for today.
Thank you so much for watching Easy Talk English.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us.
And subscribe if you haven't already. We make new conversations every week.
Real topics, real English, for real people learning.
You're doing amazing. Just keep going.
Little by little, step by step.
You're getting better every single day.
Until next time,
Speak English.
together. Bye, everyone.
See you next time.